Welcome to your true guided meditation to start today. Find a quiet, relaxing place with no distractions and sit on a comfortable sofa or high cushion. Root your seat bones, sitting slightly forward, and allow your crossed legs to drop relaxed. Or if you prefer, you can leave your legs straight if that is more comfortable for you. Relax your shoulders. Relax your spine, but listen towards the sky. Slightly bow your chin down, keeping your neck relaxed, and close your eyes. Breathe gently and naturally. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly as a sigh of air through your mouth. From here, your journey begins. Do not force your breathing. Let it flow its natural rhythm. And little by little, you will notice that you generate more space between breath and breath. Observe the pure flow of oxygen go through your nose, feeling how it expands and reaches each of your cells, purifying your whole being. Observe your chest, your ribs rise and then come back down. Each moment of your breath is a moment of calm as you fill yourself with energy, the energy that you need so much in this town. Your energy flows together with your peace because your breathing is soft and slow. When your breathing is fast, uncontrolled, you wear out, you lose energy, body and mind lose strength. But now everything is under control. You travel, you are aware of the present moment. You realize all the time that you breathe, and that means you are alive. You are generating gratitude to your inner self, to everything that surrounds you, that wonderful space that gives you back your energy, gives you back a feeling of peace and calm. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly through your nose, and come back to your natural breathing again. Feel free and do not make adjustments to yourself, to your thoughts. Accept them and just let them go. Don't hold on to them, and come back to your breath, to contemplate it, to feel it, to be more and more aware of the present moment. You are in a unique moment for you. Feel the peace that surrounds you, the energy flow more and more from within you into the world. You are free to create the response of your mind, of your body. Be aware to create a new path. It is time to create your deepest desire. For right now is when you have the strength, the energy. Your emotions are deep and full of life. They are covered with the magic of this moment, and you feel that today is a great day. Feel and be aware at all times of what is happening within yourself, and always come back to your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale very gently. Open your eyes as if you begin to wake up from a long sleep. Now you are feeling it is time to embark on a new path, to return to my essence, to return to your life with energy and gratitude. Namaste. Thank you very much for joining me today in this meditation. And if you liked it, give me a like, subscribe, or leave me a comment, because every challenge is a new opportunity to become the person you want to be.